Hello iPad letterers, welcome back. How about we practice our iPad lettering together? Grab your iPad and Apple Pencil and let's get started. My name is Karen and in today's video I'm going to share with you my best tips and tricks about how to improve your hand lettering skills. To start with, I want to tell you a little bit about my own lettering journey just to inspire you and give you the confidence that you will be able to do this as well. Here are some of my very first lettering pieces I've ever created. I'm actually quite embarrassed to show you this, but I feel it's important for you to know that we all start somewhere and to not give up if your first attempts don't look quite the way you've envisaged them in your own head. It's called a lettering journey for a reason. And here's some more examples where you can see my evolution as a lettering artist. Sometimes it's actually really nice to look back and see how far you've come, and I very much recommend you do this every now and then as well. So how did I get to this point? Well, of course, I practiced, but how did I practice and how often? The number one key to improving your lettering is to practice consistently. And the key to practice consistently is to have a plan and also to have someone to hold you accountable. So when I first started lettering, I decided to join various lettering challenges on Instagram where I had to post a lettering piece every single day. It really forced me to practice because I needed to post something like everyone else did so I could keep up with the rest of the group. And also because I didn't want to embarrass myself too much. And so I thought, this is exactly what we should do together. Let's do a monthly challenge, except we are going to do it a little bit differently. One of the things I found very hard previously with these types of challenges was the daily posts. It's very difficult to keep up with, and I really don't think we need the extra stress in our lives right now. So for this challenge, we are only going to do 5 words per week, and then we're going to do this for 4 weeks. This is so much more achievable, and you will be able to fit this in with your busy schedule a lot easier. I really want this to be fun and relaxing and achievable. Alright, and then of course we will need a theme. Since I've been a little bit, well, let's admit it, quite a lot addicted to playing Animal Crossing recently, and also because for most of you it's going to be summer now, I thought it would be really nice to do an island vibes theme. I've created a list with 20 words that we will practice together, and you have 2 options of how to participate. The first option is to grab the practice sheets that I have right here. It has 4 layers with 5 words each, you'll see here. There's 1 layer for every week, and you can first trace the word, and then there is space for you to practice it on your own as well. The practice sheets also come with an exclusive lettering brush that I've made specifically for this practice sheet, and you can find the download link in the description box of this video. And then the second option, if you don't want to get the practice sheets, is that you can practice all freehand on your own by watching this video as many times as you need in order to write the words. You can grab my free iPad lettering starter kit if you'd like to. This has a Procreate canvas with guidelines, and yes, of course, the download link is also in the description box of this video. And now that we have everything we need, let's get started with our practice. You'll see me write every single word, and it's all real-time speed, so you can get a feel of how fast you should be going when practicing. If in doubt, I definitely recommend to slow down your strokes. I also recommend that you watch the whole video first to see a demo of how I write each word, especially because there are some words with tricky letter connections. And then every week you can go back and you can watch the section for the week again and practice yourself. And now let me put on a little bit of music for you, and I'll be popping back in every now and then to comment on my lettering and also to further explain how the challenge works. And now you see these are all the words that we are going to write in the first week, but now I want to show you what we're going to do in the next week. So the first thing you're going to do is add a new layer, so you're not overwriting your previous practice layer. And then you turn the visibility of the layer of the first week off and turn the visibility of the layer for the second week on, and then you can keep practicing. And here we have all the words for the second week, and we are already on to the third week. And you'll notice here the first word is mojito. And one of the things I wanted to point out here is you'll see me writing the dots on the I's and the J first. But I very much recommend that you actually do the crossbar for the T first, because then you'll know how much room you have for the dot on the I and the J. before I forget, the second most important part, other than practicing, is sharing your work. Let's all support each other and post our work either on Instagram or Facebook using the hashtag #iPadLetterTogether. I'll be on Instagram as well, of course, sharing my version of each prompt. Don't be afraid to be as creative as you would like to be when you do this. And then, of course, let's support each other by liking and commenting on each other's posts. This is how I managed to grow my Instagram account to where it is today, and it's all thanks to this amazing community. If you find that you're really struggling with this, especially with the thick downstrokes and the thin upstrokes, I very much recommend that you watch my iPad Lettering for Beginners series, where you can learn how to get those strokes just right. You'll see that I've made free practice sheets for the strokes as well as cheat sheets for each letter, so you can see exactly how to write each letter and practice that first. You'll find the link to the video series in the description box of this video as well. I really hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.